going, everybody? Gonna take a little cruise down East Cliff here in Santa Cruz. Fun fact, I ran into Steve-O from Jackass right about here. He was apparently on a surf trip. There's the whale, the famous whale. Gotta go down Seabright Avenue here to get back onto East Cliff. You've got your Seabright Brewery here from back before breweries were cool. Not my favorite brewery though, but not bad. Come check it out if you're in the area. Pacific Edge if you're into rock climbing. We've got it all. And the harbor. Chardonnay. We'll go down Lake Avenue to rejoin East Cliff Drive. The Harbor Lighthouse. And over in the corner there is the Crow's Nest. Very good restaurant, a little on the spendy side. Upstairs during the day for lunch isn't too bad. Definitely good food. Back here they've got the best tamales in town, they say. A little Mexican market, I can't remember what it's called. Sold RX-7, rarely see those anymore. Back to the cliffs. Lots of houses I will never be able to afford. Definitely a place to come and cruise. There's no getting anywhere fast around here. Enjoy the scenery. I want to say that was Jack O'Neill's house. There's another little dual sport. Anyways, that's about it. Like and subscribe.